Hello everyone, welcome to this continuous online lecture series. I hope you are watching this continuous online lecture series. Today we are going to discuss third topic is environmental pollution from your subject environmental biology and toxicology. Today we are going to start from subtopic 3.1 is definition and types of pollution and 3.2 is pollutants and types of pollutant. Definition of environmental pollution. Environmental pollution is defined as any undesirable change in physical, chemical or biological characteristics of any component of the environment which can cause harmful effect on various forms of life of or property. Means undesirable means unexpected change in physical like change in temperature, means abiotic characteristics, change in abiotic characteristics. Chemical change means change in pH, change in air concentration, change in air composition or change in any component of the environment which can cause harmful effect on human or all ecosystem is known as a environmental pollution. And pollution can be anything which damage the ecosystem and destroy the delicate balance in ecosystem, because ecosystem is made up of both components, biotic components, biotic factors, abiotic factors, and these pollutions destroy or destroy and the delicate balance in ecosystem. It creates health hazards to the human being and animal. For example, if the change between or undesirable change in aquatic water system, it produces the health hazard to the aquatic systems animals. Then pollution is when something is added to the environment that is harmful or poisonous to living things. But its a proper example is a plastic is a man-made thing and it cannot be destroyed. So if plastic is added in environment, it is harmful or poisonous to living things. Then some examples are smoke in the air from factories is a type of pollution. Smoke of air contain many gases, many substances which are harmful to normal composition of the air. Next example is sewage. Sewage in drinking water is another type of pollution, and because of this sewage it can make people ill because it contains germs and viruses. Then many examples of pollution like air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, these soil pollution, these are all examples of pollutions. Chapters we are going to discuss the types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. These major four pollution we are going to discuss in next lecture. Pollution and pollutant. Pollutant is any substance which can pollution called pollutants. Pollutants are many things like waste from factories, chemicals, gases. These are the pollutants. Pollutants means any substance which can cause pollutions called as a pollutant. Then types of pollutant. Pollutants, they have two main types of pollutant. First is a primary pollutants and second one is a secondary pollutant. Primary pollutants is which exert harmful effect in the form in which they enter the environment, in the form of enter the environment which is a harmful effect. These are the primary pollutants. Then another is a secondary pollutants. Secondary pollutants which are synthesized as a result of chemical processes after often form less harmful precursor in the environment. Means primary pollutants are more harmful than the secondary pollutants. We are going to start the types of pollutant and its composition or its effect. You must know about the two terms is a bioaccumulation and biomagnification. Bioaccumulation means is the net accumulation of contaminants in or an organism from all sources including water, air and diet. Means accumulation means it accumulate in certain things, like it accumulate in water, it accumulate in air, pollutants in which pollutants accumulate in these things like water, air and diet, and these accumulated pollutants get into the food chain, and they are passes through one trophic level to another trophic level, is known as a biomagnification. Biomagnification, also known as a bioamplification or biological magnification, is any concentration of toxin or pollutants such as pesticide in the tissue of tolerant organism at successively higher level of food chain. It means, for example, pond ecosystem. If pesticides are pesticides used in agricultural purposes for destroying the pest or control or arrest the growth of pest, then when the agricultural washout takes place and the water is drained out from the farm and it mixed to the river, then the river ecosystem is a freshwater ecosystem. There is many zooplanktons, phytoplanktons, means producer, consumers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, all trophic levels. Means if the pesticides are consumed by the zooplankton, then fishes are fed on the zooplankton, and we know the energy transmissions rule, the 10% of energy transmitted through one trophic level to the another trophic level. The toxin or the pesticide also transmit to the one trophic level to the another trophic level. Means it accumulated in water, but it magnified to more than one trophic level or higher trophic level in the food chain. Means it magnify. The man is fed on the fishes. Means the pesticides are present in fish and the pesticides are accumulate in the human body with the help of the consumption of the fishes. The bioaccumulation and biomagnification is the main cause of the pollutants are converted into one trophic level to the another trophic. One is some other pollutants like metal pollutants. Then first is a metal pollutants. What is a metal pollutants? Metals are generally found throughout the earth, like in rock, soil and sediment, primarily trapped at the stable form. Primarily metals are trapped at the stable form, but these are primarily distributed in the atmosphere, and the group of pollutants mainly consist of heavy metal, and sources of heavy metal pollution is purification of metal, electroplating, and these sources of the sources of the metals pollutants are main cause of the pollution. And metal tends to accumulate in the soil where they taken up by crops, and accumulation of metal is sediment may enter into the food chain through aquatic animal. These are lead, mercury, cadmium, arsenic is the metallic pollutants, and it produces more disease and disorder. And the nine, for example, the what soil is a soil what is metal tends to accumulate in soils is the best example in Japan. The 9.5% of Japanese rice paddy is incapable of producing consumable product due to pollution of heavy metals. Heavy metals is a lead, mercury, cadmium, arsenic is a heavy metals. First is a lead. The lead sources of lead is the metal is used in manufacturing of storage batteries and anti-knocking additives in gasoline. In also it is also found in our pencils. It also found in toys, and it is used in a wet belt for diving also, cables, sheathing, etc. It tends to accumulate in aquatic system and enter into the food chain. The effect of lead is very harmful because lead is chemically similar to the calcium, and therefore it is accumulated in bone matrix, and Young children are particularly affected due to the lead affecting and development of brain and nervous system. Lead is mostly effect on the nervous systems of children and it is a very harmful. It also produce long term harm including increasing risk of high blood pressure or kidney damage. These are the effect of lead. Is a cadmium, and cadmium it is produced from the byproducts of various industrial activities like smelter operation, burning fossil fuels, and its a toxic effect is toxicity of this metal resulting in kidney damage, and it also cause softening of bones, itai or ouch ouch disease, a bone disease caused by cadmium poisoning. Cadmium poisoning disease caused cadmium poisoning produce the itai or ouch ouch disease. Mercury. Then sources of mercury, it is usually collected from the mineral or mercury sulfide. It is commonly used as a slimicide and fungicide because it is found to be toxic for many organisms. Then mercury is used in a fungicides or slimicides, and agricultural washout is a main reason for the mercury. And Minamata disease is neurological syndrome caused by severe mercury poison. The symptoms include ataxia, general muscle weakness, etc. and kidney failure also. In Minamata disease, the oxygen carrying capacity is lost due to the mercury poisoning reaction on RBCs. Is a arsenic. The arsenic is generally found in the air or soil or the it is a semiconductor. Then effect of arsenic was also used in a rat poisoning also, but nowadays arsenic are not used for a rat poisoning. Effect of arsenic is also harmful because breathing in high level of arsenic can cause a sore throat and irritated of lungs. Then swallowing high level of arsenic can cause nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, muscle weakness and cramping, skin rashes, etc. And these all are the metals are come out through the body with the help of the food chain or with the help of the trophic level transmission is a bioaccumulation and biomagnification, and exposure to high enough amount of arsenic can be gaseous pollutants. Gaseous pollutants like gaseous pollutant sources are volcanoes, then fire industry, automobiles, mining, smoke, etc. And gases such as sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, nitrogen oxide, etc. And effect is if it effect on human health, agriculture and all ecosystem. Because of this gaseous pollutant, the gaseous pollutants we are going to study in the next lecture in details. Then acid pollutants. The acid pollutants are the principal cause for the formation of acid rain in the environment, and acid deposition is called as a acid pollution. The primary cause of acid rain is two chemicals. First one is a sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, which chemical are released by various industrial processes. These two chemicals react with atmospheric moisture and form rain, snow, fog, etc. And the acidic rain on reaching the ground, the acidity of substances can harmful to nature, ecosystem as well as man-made product. The acid rain example is the Mathura's acid rain example is the most common. The acid rains effect on the Taj Mahal. Next is a alkali pollutants. The alkali pollutants are herbicides, biocides and pesticides. The alkali pollutants pollution of lakes and rivers caused by the runoff from field of herbicides and other biocides used in agriculture. because this group of pollutants mainly include biocides and pesticides, most of which are a chlorinated organic compound which are used to control unwanted or harmful organisms. And biocides can be used to kill algae and mucid in domestic and industrial uses, and they have a distinct chemical property, but all are toxic to aquatic organism and highly bioaccumulate at the very persistent. The effect of because of they accumulate in aquatic ecosystem, and they accumulate and biomagnified, and they are enter to the trophic level. These are all about the types of pollution, what is a pollution, what is a bioamplification, what is a biomagnification, and what is the types of pollutant. These are all important for the our next topic is air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution and soil pollution. So we are stop here. Thank you.